Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you the Streamlabs best settings for YouTube and other streaming platforms, and yeah. So, with the sources, got the game capture set, and I got alerts on, and I got audio input, and if you want to add new stuff, you just like get it from the timeline here, and yeah. But if you want to add a source, just add source, and then yeah. But I'm not gonna do that, but I don't want to mess anything up, so yeah. Yeah, I got what is it called? I got some overlays as well. Like if I want to be right back or something, but yeah. But I'm not gonna do that, so yeah. Because I don't want to mess anything up on my streaming tab, so yeah. So you got the settings down here, and for general, set automatically start replay buffer when streaming. That's if there's something wrong, but yeah. Sources non-rent, stay. I just keep my settings, guys, but yeah. But yeah, YouTube, if you want to set your streaming platform as YouTube right here, and yeah. Sorry my mum, I'm just recording. And you can set your streaming platform, and just follow my steps, guys, if you're on the best streaming settings. But yeah, set all this to hardware if you got a Nvidia hardware or something. And yeah, sorry guys, my parents just got back home. And CBR control and 5000 bit rate, and that's for streaming stuff I use, 5000 bit rate, and yeah. Make sure this is set as 2 keyframe, and preset is max performance, high on profile, and if it has psycho visual tuning on, you turn that off, and on max speed frames set as that too, and on simple rate, if you have your settings as kilobits per second, you set as what your kilobits a second. So mine is like 48, and stereo, and yeah, and mic so you set as your microphone blue Snowball, that's mine, and you set that as your screen resolution, and you set as that your streaming resolution. So mine is 720, and you set dense scale filter to less scales. That's for the sharpening one. That's the one I use, and 60 frames per second value. And yeah, but I have chat toggled on, so I like to see a chat now and then, and so I put as page up, and yeah. Sorry guys, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. video format right here. Make sure this is normal. You don't want that too high, so make sure that is normal on general. And color format is NV12, and UV color is 709. And make sure this is full range. Sorry about the background noise, guys. And make sure force GPU is renderized and audio default and recording and format. I don't know what's that about, but yeah. Replay buffer, I don't know, but yeah. Stream delay, 0 seconds. Automatically reconnect. Yeah. Make sure this is right. And yeah. Low latency mode. I think I'm alright with these settings, but yeah. Yeah. And you don't have to worry about this, but yeah. If you want notifications on, you check all this to enable notifications if you got a subscriber or something. And not theme, if you want the light theme or dark theme, you can do that. And text size. Sorry if I'm raising my voice, guys, but my dad and my parents are like annoying me. Enabling game overlay if you want to see your chat in game, and yeah, I'll show chat as well. And overlay opacity if you want to see your game quickly. And yeah, that's about all, guys. Yeah. If you have your microphone on, it can be muted or something, but yeah. But I like to keep mine on so I can remember to keep streaming it. And when you have your game on, your volume goes up on here. So yeah. And that's about all, guys. Sorry about before, but yeah. I'm into the stream now. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Turn on notifications, and yeah, peace.